Hey guys, so welcome back to my channel. Today's video is going to be a what we eat in a day, Marcus and Chloe and myself on vacation. We are in a place called Sun River, which is in Southern Oregon, for the entire week with like 8 other families. It's really been fun. What we've kind of been doing while we were here is each family takes care of their own lunch and breakfast, and then takes turns making a big main meal for everyone for dinner. Chloe's trying to swallow something. Anyways, so Wednesday night is our night, and I thought that would be the perfect day to vlog. So I will show you guys what we're eating for breakfast and lunch, and then what we make for a big crew for dinner time. I'm making it with a friend, Tabitha. The recipe is her idea, which I will link it down below so you guys can have it, because she's a really great cook and she just likes to spoil everybody. Her dessert is the thing I'm just like most looking forward to. So anyways, if you guys are wanting inspiration on what to bring kids for vacation, this is the video for you. I also did a grocery haul of what I bought for this vacation. I'll link that down below as well. So today's breakfast for Chloe is some eggs. Daddy made her some scrambled eggs with a little cheese. She's having some raspberries, but I'm not sure if she's gonna eat them. She's also starting to eat with a fork by herself, which I'm so happy with, and it's so sweet to see her using the fork. She's not the best, she's not the cleanest, but she's at least trying. And then she also has some avocado over here, which avocado is hit and miss with her. Sometimes she'll eat it, sometimes she won't. So are raspberries, which, funny thing, if Marcus and Chloe pull raspberries or any kind of fruit out of the fridge, they'll eat it because it's their own idea. But if I serve them to them, it's like hit or miss. So we'll see if she eats it, but she is definitely enjoying those eggs. And then she also just has water here in the sippy cup. And by the way, I got these plates at Target. They really like the dividers. It seems to make that more interesting for them. So she's like, forget the fork. Wow, that was a huge bite. And her little bib is from Amazon. I'll have it linked down below because I really like these. I've tried like the Tommy Tippy ones with the open flap. It has like that open flap down here. But it's not the same. It doesn't hang open enough to really catch anything. But this one's really nice. Marcus, honey, put it back on the table, please. Marcus has already eaten. He had pancakes this morning with some other kids. Here's their pancakes. Chloe slept in really late, so Marcus ate at a different time. Oh, wow, you did it, honey. Marcus, look at mommy. Okay, but Marcus, that needs to stay on the table, so you go back to the table. Uh-oh, pick it up. Pick it up and put it back on the table, okay? So my breakfast is some Chobani yogurt. If you guys watch my grocery haul, I mentioned that I really like these because they have less sugar. They're Greek yogurt, and they just have a lot of better ingredients for you, because not all yogurts are good for you, which is really interesting. So I've done the research, and this one is pretty good for you. I'm not gonna mix, the fruit is at the bottom of this one, and because I'm trying to cut out a little sugar, I'm not gonna mix it. I'm just gonna eat the Greek yogurt off the top. I have a almost gone caramel latte that I made with an espresso, because someone brought an espresso maker, and so I've been having coffee every morning. I really like it. I kind of want an espresso for myself. Anyways, and then on top of, oh my goodness. Anyways, and then on top of my yogurt, I am just putting a little bit of this Ancient Grains granola. It's really good, and it's like $6.99 at Costco for this huge bag. So I'm now making them a little lunch. I'm gonna make just a regular grilled cheese with Dave's Killer Bread and Tillamook shredded cheddar. But I wanted to try to introduce them to something different today. So I'm gonna do another sandwich of mini red peppers. You can roast them, but I'm just going to fry them here on the stove. Hi, did you just come in from outside? She's in her snowsuit because she and Daddy and Marcus were playing outside. Anyway, so now I'm just chopping up one of the sweet bell peppers. These are from Costco. And I'm just going to fry it with a little salt, a little pepper, a little coconut oil, then spread some cream cheese on a piece of bread, and then toast the bread a little bit, and hopefully they like it. I'm not expecting too much since it's a new food for them, but at least they'll have to taste it. cream cheese and red or sweet bell pepper sandwich. And now we're gonna go see if they like it. And I'm making regular toasted cheese too. And Chloe is dying of hunger. Oh, honey. Say hi. Say hi, Dada. So Chloe has already almost finished a whole half of this sandwich. She seems, no, actually it was a quarter, never mind. But she seems to really be liking it. She just has some chopped pears right here. And yeah, she's doing great. She's even eating the peppers, it looks like. And not a whole lot in the bib, so that's good. Do you like it, Cookie? It's actually really tasty. And then Marcus hasn't even touched his yet because he is so distracted by the TV that's playing over there. So Marcus is still watching a movie. It's been like 10 minutes and he hasn't even touched his food. Chloe is on like a second sandwich, and I'm having the other half of the red pepper and cream cheese sandwich, and it's actually very yummy. And I'm having the leftover mini sweet peppers. There's an orange one and a yellow one, and then some more of the pear. And my glass of water. So Marcus didn't want to try even one bite of pear, but we had him anyway because that's our family rules, to try at least one bite of something and they don't have to eat the rest. But this is like part of a second pear. He is down an entire pear plus the 3 pieces that I already gave him. And he loves it. Right now, I'm over here at the other house. We have 2 houses with all these families, and it's mine and Tabitha's night to make dinner, and we're just really having fun. Tabitha's like the brains behind this dinner. Do you want to tell them what you made?
Yeah, it's chicken tortilla soup, and we also did a bone broth.
Yes, do you want to tell them about your bone broth?
It's just chicken feet. It has some bay leaves and some, what else did I put in there? Oh, garlic, and that's pretty much it. And you basically cook it for like 12 hours. This one hasn't been cooking for quite as long. It's like 4 hours about. But it tastes pretty good, so I think it's good to go, and it just has a lot of healing properties. We have a lot of people sick, so maybe.
Yeah, it'll be good for that reason too. Anyway, so Tabitha got really fancy with our dessert, which is a blueberry roulade?
Yep, blueberry roulade.
I'll show you, I'll film it later on. I made some madeleines for the kids, which are little, just spongy French cookies that I think that they'll really like. So those are over at the other house. And then right now I'm just chopping up some fresh cilantro because you can't make chicken tortilla soup without cilantro. I hope you guys enjoyed it and it gave you some ideas of how to be a little bit healthy but also keep things easy for while you're on vacation with little kids. So let me know if you guys liked this one in particular because we're on vacation, or if you like the ones that are more like normal everyday, which I kind of try to keep things normal and everyday. I always love hearing from you guys, so let me know in the comments what you like best and I will do more of that. Again, you can find the recipes to the stuff Tabitha and I made in the description box below. The soup was so good. You put just a ton of toppings like cheese, sour cream, chunks of avocado and tortilla chips, and it was just amazing. So again, I'll have it linked down below. Thank you so much for watching and I hope you're all having a wonderful day. If you're new to my channel, I hope that you will hit that subscribe button and become part of my YouTube family. And Coco and I will see you all in our next video. Can you say bye-bye?
Bye-bye.
Good job. Bye guys.
Bye-bye.
Say bye-bye.
Bye-bye.
Cute. Yes, you're such a cutie.